Harbor. Coastal waters from South Santee River
There's
to
no
Edinburgh
beeping,
Beach,
but-
South Carolina out 20 nautical miles until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near
There's no
Wapacut
beeping.
to near Stono Inshore
It's
Reef,
just scroll.
moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 35 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated.
If you live there,
Impact, small craft
it
could
involves
be
having
damaged
heart
to
attack.
briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
But
Locations
it's
impacted
one boat.
include
Yeah.
Capers Island Buoy, Capers Reef, Crab Bank, Castle Pinckney, Charleston Harbor Entrance, Charleston Nearshore Reef, Charleston Coastal Anglers, Wapacut, Air Force Reef, Low Country Anglers, Rattlesnake Shoal. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of